Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm showing you this. I'm making myself a neck warmer. Do you know when it starts to get warm in the spring and it gets a little bit too warm during the day for a coat, but you still need maybe a scarf around your neck? Well, I'm using this stitch and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now I'm still working on mine. I'm going to make mine long enough that I can fold it in half and sew it down the seam just to make a neck warmer, almost like a neck cowl. I'm just going to do this in this stitch. Now the yarn I'm using is this ice yarn. It's absolutely beautiful. Now I've only got 2 balls of this, so I'm hoping that the 2 balls are going to be enough. It's quite a thick sort of chunky yarn. Now this one is called Ambient. It's just Ambient. It's a weight of 5. That's an Aran weight in the UK. It's a really easy stitch. This is a really easy stitch, perfect for beginners. If you're just a beginner and you want to make something, picking up a crochet hook and a ball of yarn, then give this a try. It's really easy and quick. So to do this stitch, we're going to do our chain in sets of 4 stitches. Don't do it too tight. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do your chain as long as you want it to be. So that's long enough for my sample. We're going to go into the 5th stitch in the chain. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to go into this 5th stitch here. Put your yarn over and you're going to put 2 treble crochets, that's UK treble crochets, into that same stitch. Into the next stitch you're going to put another 2. Now this is going to be our base round, and then I'll show you the 1 row that you keep repeating. You're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the next stitch put 2 treble crochets, and into the next stitch put 2 treble crochets. We're going to do in groups of 4. So skip 2 and put 2 into this stitch, 1 and 2, 2 into the next stitch, 1 and 2, skip 2, 1, 2, and then do that set of 4 again. Put 2 into that stitch and 2 into that stitch. So skip 2 and work 2, 2 into that one, and then 2 into the next one. You'll do that all the way along. So I'm at the end and I'm done my last set of 4, my 2 sets. I'm going to skip 2 and into the last stitch I'm going to put 1 treble crochet. Now if you've got any extra stitches, then just pick them out. You just might have miscounted when you've been doing your chain, and this is what you have. We're going to chain 3. You'll always chain 3 at the beginning and turn your work. Now this is a row that you'll keep repeating. Now that we've got this base row done, you're going to skip 2 stitches, so that includes that first one right under the chain. Skip 1 and 2, and it's going to bring you in to the middle of your 4 stitches. You're going to use these middle 2 stitches to build your next set of 4. So skip 1, 2, and into that stitch put 2 treble crochets. These are double crochets if you're in the USA, and put 2 into the next stitch. Skip 2, 1, 2, and work 2. So skip 2 and put 2 into that stitch, 1 and 2 and 2 into the next stitch. Now you can use this to make nice big blankets as well, throws, afghans. Skip 2 and then work the next 2 stitches. Work your group of 4 into the next 2 stitches. So skip 2, 1, 2 and into that one. Two into the next one, and you'll do that all the way along. So I've done my last group of 2. I'm going to skip 1 stitch and put a treble crochet into the top of that chain of 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and turn. I'm going to skip 2, 1, 2 and I'm going to work these 2 stitches. Start building my next group. So skip the first stitch and the second stitch and work the next one. And 2 into the next one. Skip 2 and work 2, skip 2 and work 2. You'll do that all the way to the end. You're going to skip 1 and then build, put 1 treble crochet into the top of that chain. Chain 3 and turn. And this is what you get. It's a really pretty stitch. It's very quick as well. It's really quick to do. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Help my channel be seen a bit more on YouTube if you subscribe. If you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial, and please give the video a thumbs up as well. Let YouTube see that it's a liked video. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.